farmers. We are still in Angonia, in Mozambique, where we want to talk about horticulture production. Did you know that the scale of production doesn't really affect productivity? You really need to optimize even on a small piece of land. So here we are seeing a demonstration plot where we are going to be establishing various crops in Angonia. So we just want to show you when you are establishing a crop like cabbage. In this case, we have beautiful seedlings of Majesty cabbage, a blockbuster hybrid variety from Cisco, which we are going to be establishing. So here we have just pegged up the lines. As you can see, land preparation has already been done. But at the land preparation stage, that's when you should incorporate your organic matter content by broadcasting, and then you incorporate it into the soil. But if you don't do that, you can still put the organic matter in the form of fully decomposed manure into the planting station. So now we are seeing that we are putting the rows because we want to make sure that we are precise in our spacing. The intended inter-row spacing is 60 centimeters, while the in-row spacing is 50 centimeters. So the team is going to put the tape measure here so that you'll see. So they're now putting the tape measure, and then we'll start digging the holes at the 60 centimeter mark. They'll just put a mark to show where it is across the line, and then I'll dig the holes. But then while they do that, we want to encourage sustainable farming practices, where even after you finish planting, no matter how small the area, also aim to have some mulch as well in your field, as it also conserves the topsoil and prevents erosion, and also just protects the topsoil from just being washed away. So it's very, very important. And if you can, get your soils analyzed before you start. So now we are seeing the mark. Can you just mark up to the end there? So I'm seeing the first mark there, and then we are seeing the next. You can come closer and you can also see the 60 centimeter mark. You can come closer onto the tape measure. There we go, 60. Put the other mark, and then we can also see together. Yeah. Seeing is believing. 60. Can you do the last one? There, 60. So now I'm going to dig the holes. It's action time. That's the first station. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. And the last one. So you should make sure that it's deep enough for you to put in organic matter and come in with your basal fertilizer. So if you are putting organic matter, you can put just a handful or 500 grams. You just pour it in of fully decomposed manure so that you don't introduce pests or diseases. And then you come in with your fertilizer, depending on the type of basal fertilizer that you'll be applying. And then you come in with your planting. After planting, you irrigate, and then you come in with your top dressing fertilizer, depending on the crop in question. So it's very, very important for you to plant the right way, at the right time, and plant a crop in season. And in horticulture, remember, you should find a market first before you plant. Otherwise, you'll be found wanting. And as Seedco turns 85, we are not only a maize business, but we sell maize and we sell horticulture across Africa, in the 21 African countries where we have a footprint, because it starts with the right seed.
So as the African seed company Seedco International turns 85, let's keep growing from generation to generation, because it does start with the right seed. And farming adds years to your life and life to your years. Happy farming.